The Strait of Hormuz is witnessing another sharp decline in shipping activity after the ceasefire between the US and Iran collapsed. According to WION Nautical, only 14 vessels transited through the strait on Thursday, down from 35 a day earlier. Real-time tracking data suggests that vessel movements remained largely paused on Friday. The slowdown comes after hopes of a recovery following the ceasefire framework announced on June 17th. Since then, around 513 vessels have passed through the strait, an improvement from wartime lows, but still only about 1/5 of normal traffic levels. Data from vessel tracking platform Kepler also points to a worsening trend. Commodity vessel transits through the Strait of Hormuz fell from 37 on Tuesday to 15 by Thursday. Analysts say the ceasefire failed to clearly define the commitments expected from both Washington and Tehran, leaving key disagreements unresolved. The renewed hostilities follow attacks on 3 oil and gas tankers this week, fresh US strikes in Iran, and at least 5 attacks on commercial vessels since the ceasefire was announced. Shipping experts warn that even after fighting subsides, confidence among ship owners and insurers is likely to recover much more slowly. Before the conflict began in late February, the Strait of Hormuz carried roughly 1/5 of global oil shipments, with around 20 million barrels of crude oil and petroleum products moving through the waterway every day. It also serves as a vital route for industrial commodities such as sulfur, an essential raw material for fertilizer production. Analysts say prolonged disruption has already affected global energy markets, freight costs, insurance premiums, and inflation. While some expect both sides to eventually return to negotiations, the pace of any recovery in shipping will depend on whether a more durable and credible agreement can be reached.